Easy, cool and easy.
Good morning, guys. You don't know it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! What you have to say?
I
wanted them. So, guys, I'm on my way to church. I'm about to do the outfit of the day. You know my bae right here. Oh, no, watch our ear. Later, she'll put you. Be things. Raga, raga. So I'm gonna do the outfit of the day now. And thank you guys. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and show the love. Let's jump into it. As I said, that was the outfit of the day. Today I'm on my way to church. Guys, I just want to give you a little bit of advice on something that I noticed, that especially women, they fail to communicate their standards, right? So as women, right, our standards are the values that we have about ourselves, the things that we want to accomplish and how we want to get them done. But oftentimes we fail to communicate our standards to other people, and oftentimes in relationships, right? And that's why most of the times our relationships fail, because we fail to communicate our standards and stand by them. If somebody don't line up with their standards, they will leave, right? That doesn't mean that you should change your standards. What normally happens is the standards are changed to match the other person, to maybe have them stay in the relationship, to maybe keep friends. But that is just putting you in a position that will devalue what you believe, devalue your self-confidence and what you're about. So I encourage everybody, know your standards. Knowing your standards is one, but sticking to your standards. Don't change your standard to match somebody else. And what you will find is that you'll have better relationships with intimate relationships, as well as friends wise, right? So never change your standard to match a particular crowd, right? MELICASKYLIFE. Peace. Church. Oh, I almost broke my foot. So guys, yeah, thank you. That's it. So guys, church is over. That's mama over there.
Oh, yes,
but we go up and we drive now come. Well, Alasha, when I tell me say last week she see you walk up a hill, see your feet.
Fast, so my feet. Walk up the hill.
I have a terrible idea, I tell you. And thing. But yeah, well, come on mama run the road.
Alright, alright.
But none of Karina them gonna come. And did you tag on already?
Yes, you can get drive.
Terrible idea. So guys, they're walking home. Today was a very great day at church. I'll be coming to church every Sunday, like God's willing. Like only when we really can't come. Like me, I try to invest to come to church on a Sunday, because it's very important that we come to see the Lord's face. You know? So that's what we're doing now.
Yeah, shoes. The one was cut out.
Want your shoes?
Yes, I don't want no close up. I want like one slippers like design.
I say I want one new church shoes too.
Because the uncle told me have. I want one nice slippers.
Tell one punky say next week she come to church.
Why? I don't know anymore. I walk and what make him not come and say well and shoes, flat shoes about a year.
Okay. Flat shoes. Okay.
In Canada.
Yeah, so that's one of my New Year's resolution. Because I used to be very, very involved in church. I used to sing, even though I can't sing. Sing, dance, act, sign language, the pan choir, everything. Now I'm not the pan nothing. It's a shame.
You just cut off everything.
So I'm shaking up my folly grounds. Right? Yeah, getting involved. Even, you know, dancing is what I love to do though at church and stuff. So yeah, it's me and Mama. Walking on. Mama says Skylife TV.
Skylife TV. I will let that go. Romando.
No.
Oh, you just said video hit.
Yes, you put up on the channel.
Okay.
And stuff. So guys, peace. I'm out. Look off the light up there so I see how it look. The light, yes so. You know how I like it for? I like how you look better so.
Hello, vlogger.
But you know what happened? I like your shadow in the background. Turn back like let me see. Come back this now. You understand?
The shadow still light.
No, what I do is when I bulb them I have one bulb can put up there so to make it white. You understand? I have one next one can put right there so one next sit on me and set up. Hey girl! Anyways, I'm so excited guys. So freaking excited.
Me can snap.
Snap a random picture with pretty pan in his side. Mama spoil your skin clean, thick ties. Plus she bright so me never child. Well. Anyways guys, no matter how I look right now, I kinda look mash up and be things. But I just set up my studio lights in my place. It's like about 8 o'clock at night right now and I'm popping. You know I'm excited. My head look mad. Me bugged up on the wall. Punky head look mad. I can't bother. You know when you're excited that your channel is actually going where you want it to go. You know when you see direction and roll out. You know when you know where you want to go, you work towards you. I'm baiting. Bay right here. Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm going to put this up, but if I do, you're lucky. You smart. You're really smart. As a matter of fact, you're a genius.
Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.